All right, so for this example, we're going to do the same thing that I just showed you on the last screen. So we have to start off by looking for whatever variable is by itself. Again, in either one of these equations, I can't solve them. There's nothing that I can combine in this equation or this equation. So the only way that we're going to solve them is if we kind of combine these two equations together. So I found my variable that's by itself, which is the x. So that's what I'm going to drag because I know what x is equal to. It's equal to whatever 2y minus 3 is. So I take the x, and I drag it over, just put it on top of this x, and what graphable math does is it will replace that x with whatever it's equal to, which in this case is 2y minus 3. So notice everything stayed the same. It just put the 2y minus 3 in place of the x. So I didn't have anything that I could do in this equation earlier, but now I do, because now I can distribute. I can drag the 6 over to the left side here. Right, I'm just kind of separating my variables with my numbers. Drag the 4 over, and I got 2.5. So that's my y value, but I also still need to find x, right? So I'm only really like halfway done with this problem. So next I would take the y, and I can use the other equation to figure out what x is. If I put the y right here, again, graphable math will just replace that y with whatever it's equal to, which we now know is 2.5. So then I multiply. And anytime that happens, I usually just kind of drag it back up, because I don't want to see every single step. I just kind of want to see what I'm working on, like as I'm doing it. So if I multiply here, subtract, then we get a value of 2. So my final answer to this question is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2.5.